looking at potential links to terrorism after a shooting in Texas left 2 victims and the gunman dead. The governor of Texas has warned against using card company to threaten his state. Intelligence reports revealed that the shooter